Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can add Otter AI to the Google Meet. So we have some options to do that. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first one is that you can install to your Chrome extension this Otter.ai. So record and transcribe meetings. Now you know what Otter is all about. You just simply install it and then you will see it right over here. Now, if you go here to the Google Meet and you click here to your extension, you will see that you can automatically record Google Meet if you have one meeting on there, and just hit the start recording. Now, the other thing is that you can copy this link of your meeting and you go here to your profile at otter.ai, and on the right side you will see meetings and that you can paste URL, so like that, and hit record button. Now these two options work as the same, so if I hit here start recording, it basically record what we are saying. So if I go like that, now this thing would need to work. Yes, like that. And when you are done with your meeting, just hit here the stop recording button and recording saved. Now you can go back to this profile right over here, like that. You have now here your meetings transcribes right here. You can see in this home page. So this is basically how you can connect Otter.ai with Google Meet. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next